Today I'll show you how to make a tomato beer. It is also called a red beer or red eye, and it's very simple to make. All the ingredients are out there on the counter, as you can see. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to use a can of beer or 12 ounces, but I only have bottles of beer, so we're using Labatt's Blue. And you don't want to use an expensive beer because we're mixing it with tomato juice, so that'd be kind of like a waste. I'll pour the beer in the mug first. And the next ingredient is tomato juice, and that's 2 ounces of tomato juice. Again, if you wanted to make a bigger drink, you could just like double the recipe. So now we'll add the 2 ounces or 59 milliliters. And the last thing you want to do is add some salt to taste. The tomato juice already has salt, so I won't add that much. And the last thing you're going to do is stir. You don't want to stir too much. As you can see what is happening here, it developed quite a bit of a head. So I'll just let that settle down for a little bit, and then we'll give it a taste test. Now we will give it a taste test. It still has a little bit of a head, as you can see. It actually tastes pretty good. The most prominent flavor you'll have is the beer. The tomato juice is barely detectable, and I could have used a little bit less salt. But all in all, it's pretty good if you want to try something different with beer rather than just plain beer. And sometimes people confuse this drink with a Bloody Mary, but a Bloody Mary is vodka based and this is beer based. And also a Bloody Mary contains more than 2 or 3 ingredients. For example, Worcestershire sauce and like a celery garnish. So if you give this drink a go, leave a comment below and tell me how you liked it. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.